This is your outdoor panel. It's going to be in auto. You'll hit this 2 times and put it in timeout. See that one? The filter pump button. Come over here to the one that says spa. Push this one time. It will light up spa. And then press heat. And the heat should be lit up. Okay. You'll hear the heater come on. You'll see both valves turning, this one and that one. And that puts it in spa mode, and then the heater is set to 104. And that remote T-stat just means that your Jandy system is controlling it. So that will get you turned on from outside. And you'll see the spa rumbling. Okay, because you have it in timeout, when you're finished, it will run for 3 hours total, and then it'll go back to auto. But if you want to walk back over here when you're finished and press it from timeout into auto, it'll reset everything else. You don't have to worry about any of that. So that's to do it from outside. Now I'll show you how to do it from the inside controller. Okay, your inside controller will look something like this. You press filter pump and then spa. Filter pump, spa, and then down here at the bottom is your heaters. Hit spa heat. And then it should come on. That's all there is to it. When you're finished, just hit spa again. It'll turn it easy as pie.